Want to track groundwater decline and recharge gaps in your district? Today, I'll show you how to create an interactive groundwater map using MAPOG. Start by collecting groundwater data, like pre- and post-monsoon water levels, for observation wells in your area. Now, go to story.mapog.com, click Create New. Give your project a title like Groundwater Recharge Gaps, and write a short description, something like, "This map visualizes groundwater level changes and recharge gaps." Hit Save. Before we plot, let's set the context by adding a base GIS layer. Go to the GIS data panel, select MAPOG GIS library, and search for your area. Click to add the district boundaries to your map. This helps define your operational region and gives structure to your visual story. Now click on Upload Data and upload Excel file. Make sure to map the latitude and longitude columns properly. Each well will now appear as a point on the map. Use the category style from style layer to color code based on water level change. For example, red for severe decline and green for recharge. You can also use buffer tools to assess which areas around a well are most impacted. You can even overlay rainfall or land use data to compare patterns across regions. With just a few steps, you've visualized real groundwater data with GIS. Publish your map and share it with stakeholders or on social media. Like and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. And contact us anytime at support@mapog.com.